Good morning, everybody. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day as always, as every day is. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? News at 10 a.m. today. I am super excited about today. I mean, I get to hang out with you guys in the morning, make some money, and then I have a spa day planned later. Spa day. I'm treating my cousin to a spa day for her birthday, so that should be nice and relaxing. We're going to the Fontainebleau La Paix spa. Should be nice. Kind of pricey. Obviously it's Fontainebleau, so you know you're gonna pay a pretty dollar for it, but yeah, gonna go get a nice massage. I'm gonna go out to eat after, and then I'm gonna do something else for her afterwards, but I can't say what it is because she's probably watching this live right now, so I don't want to say what it is, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good day. So yesterday, seems like the markets moved a little bit after 10 a.m., which seems to be the going theme for this month so far. So, you know, we'll see what we can find today. Get some good setups in. Try to get us some wins. So we will get us some wins, and have a successful day. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's get started on gold. All right. Start off with the daily. All right. As always, guys, just let me know if the music is okay, so that I won't, you know, everybody hears the breakdown. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame here. So on the daily time frame, the market doesn't look that promising. I mean, it does, but the candle bodies, they could be bigger. You know, they could be like this one. That would be better. But either way, structure is very nice. We have a high, low. You know, structure is moving down nicely. So looking left, if I kind of focus on this structure here, which is kind of nice, but whatever. We see nice structure is moving up here. Pretty clean for the most part. Nothing too you know, off the walls or anything like that. So we're gonna keep that in mind. Now, the only issue that I have with where price is currently is that we have broken yesterday and the previous Friday's low here with this wick. That's why I said yesterday I would have liked gold either push up or push further down, especially with today's candle. There's not too much. Oh, that tells me one of two things. It's either we're not going to have that much volume today, or we're going to have a lot of volume today, because price wasn't able to make a new high. We actually tested yesterday's high or previous day's high, and and we came down. So right now, bias is going to be for sells on gold. Okay, high time frame bias is bearish. Candlesticks are overall bearish, and we have a daily low that was broken here. We have price trying to stay below this low. I would like it to stay below that low if possible. You know what, I'm gonna put this here at the body, because I never put my levels at the body, but I'm gonna put it today because that's the area that I want to see price hold. If price starts to break back up and starts going back up above this support, then that's concerning, and that's concerning. So I want price to stay below the body here. Okay, sorry, gotta go back. Okay, so price isn't that far away. Okay, so this is the wick down here, this is the body. So I want to see price continue down, which is what it's doing now. 4-hour lows, well, this is really daily lows, honestly. So if it keeps below those daily lows, we should be good. So price is at this area right now, this area of kind of indecision here. We have a support there, and price is kind of tapping support. So we have this one rejection here, we have this one. So, you know, price is coming down here. So we just needed to break here for us to have a clean shot to the downside. I'm not too concerned about this wick. I think this was just, you know, regular movement here. Looking for price to break below this support to continue down. So So all I want to see, guys, is a pullback here. If you look here, we have a nice drop there, pullback, drop, pullback, and another drop. We're lingering at this area of support right here. So I want to see price pull back, maybe in this 30-minute candle, 15-minute, 30-minute candle, and then to come down. This is an excellent rejection off the 61.8% around this area here. So what I want to do is I'd like to see price come up inside this area here. Maybe tap this 38% again. Like, I want to see price come back and test this area again. So I'm going to put some pending orders up in this area here. Oh, I did not open up my MT4, MT5. Okay. Now, if price does not pull back up inside this 1809 area here, I have to consider looking for sells below these lows here, which I kind of don't want to do because I'd be entering sells at a low, which is not the most ideal entry. So we're just going to be patient today and see what the market gives us. Yeah, actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm not even going to enter at these lows because that's too risky, especially with these exhaustion areas down here. I'm absolutely going to wait on a pullback. I'm going to wait on a pullback. That's the safer trade. That's the smarter trade. That's the safer trade. All right, guys. So I'm waiting on a pullback here. I'm waiting for price to come up inside this 1809, 1810 area. If it comes a little higher, that's fine. I'm going to see what price does inside this area. And I wanted to do something like this. Okay. So that's gold. So my bias on gold is for sells. I have pending orders up here, guys. 1809, 1810 area, around this area here, stops. I'd prefer to have it up here, honestly, but I'm not sure. Based off these rejections here, I don't know if price is going to break these highs. If it were to break these highs, that would be a little concerning. We'll see. But for now, I want to see price come back around this area here, and then continue down. And then my stops would be, you know, above these areas here. Okay, all right, so let's look at AU. So AU did some nice moves yesterday. We missed out on some good buys. AU didn't start taking off until 10 o'clock, obviously, right when we ended the stream, right? So let's do a fresh analysis on, actually, I'm just gonna delete some things. I don't want to delete everything. Because I think yesterday's levels are still looking kind of valid. I'm gonna verify it anyway, but we'll see here. Let's go to the daily here. So looks kind of the same as gold, right? Kind of the same as gold. Look at this big candle here, right? Nice long drop on Friday, weak pressure yesterday, and then today. So yesterday, you guys are very funny in the chat. Guys are hilarious. You guys are distracting me from oh my god. Anyway, we have weak pressure yesterday. Yesterday was nothing almost. Today we were trying to break for the sells. We have we we have yet to break and to hold. Or I'd like to see is a price to come back below this low and to hold. Now we rejected it once yesterday. We closed above this level. If price continues to linger above this low here, if we continue to hold above this level here, then maybe we come up and we fill this gigantic imbalance that we got going on here. But we'll see. Can you guys cut it out? Golly. Oh my God. If you guys will stop, I'm gonna wear hoodies every day from now on. I have a ton of hoodies. I'm gonna wear hoodies every day from now on. Oh man. Anyway, guys, so we have an H4 high here. Actually, I can tell today's gonna be a good day. Okay. So we have this H. Yesterday's high was here. This was yesterday's high. Hold on, what's gold doing? Okay, gold is chilling. Yesterday's high is here. Price tried to break and then we broke down with an engulfing. We tried to break to the downside. So on the 4-hour time frame, we're creating actual higher lows, right? Higher low, right? So if price stays above this area and we respect, you know, we have this break, price broke right back inside, we break. We kept trying to break down and we haven't been able to, right? Overall is bearish. We have these highs that were being tested. Price keeps trying to break, but we can't. So this could just be pulling up just a little here for price to fill this area and then come down. Who really knows? So we're going to wait. We're going to wait and see what price wants to actually do. On the 30-minute time frame here, we have formed a level of support here. Okay. Oh, wow. Would you guys prefer it if I put a different shirt on? Is this going to be an issue here? Yeah. I think I'm going to put another shirt on because I didn't realize you guys were so not used to seeing me dress regular sometimes. I'm always in t-shirts or hoodies. I don't know. I am a girl, guys. You guys know I am a girl, right? You guys know I have female parts, right? I kind of figured you guys knew at least that much, right? It's not the first time you guys have seen them. But just, you know. Alright, so we broke above this level. If we hold this level, we're probably going to continue up to fill this area here, which is a not too much, not that big of a range. I think this is good. It looks good now for the buys, honestly. I mean, this would be an excellent setup here. Something like this here. Stop loss would be like 5 pips, 4 or 5 pips. So if price stays above this area here, we should most likely go bullish. Okay, guys. The thing about it is, with these big bullish moves here, and then this bullish engulfing here, we want price to create some level of support, right? We want to see something like this. Up, support, form, and then the push, right? So that's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm looking at. However, However, right, we gotta look at the market from both points of view. If price does not hold this support up here and we break back below this previous level of resistance here, then we do have a clean move to the downside also. Okay, so how this, what are we, 7:45? Now this is a 1 hour candle, guys, that's forming like this. So 1 hour candle forming like that. We also have a previous low here. Now, remember guys that your high time frame levels, like your high time frame zones, are stronger than your candle formations. Okay, the candle formations tell you which way the market wants to go, but the levels are stronger. So because we have a previous level of support here on the daily time frame, we have to keep that in mind. And we also see that price is in a short-term bullish trend here. So I am kind of confident about the buys pushing up here if we hold above this support. Okay, so all I want to see is how this 1 hour candle is about to close. We have 15 minutes, 13 minutes left in this candle. I would love to see this candle close above this area, and if the next one starts breaking bullish and it leaves the bottom wick, for sure we're probably going to continue up here with all this bullish momentum that I see forming here. And if you look here, look at this 1 hour candle at 6. This was very weak and it closed very weak bearish. Okay, that's pretty telling. All right, so if we can get a little bit of volume here, we can get a nice little push and grab a quick 15, 16 pips or so. Okay, so all we gotta do is just wait on this candle to close, and we will get some good confirmations for some entries here. Okay, so let's look at US30 real quick. US30, I caught these sells on US30 yesterday, which was beautiful. We waited. Well, I waited. I don't know about you guys, but we waited, right? That's what I said you wanted to do yesterday, was wait. Every time we had a drop, we had a little I don't know, we had market structure forming, right? So I waited once price pushed up here and we broke down with this engulfing candle. I waited for price to break below this area here, and then I entered my sells. Now I was in a little bit of drawdown for like a couple minutes because price broke down. We started looking like we were closing here, but price was like, it was playing around. It wasn't as clean as this candle looks right now. It took a while before this one closed. I kind of thought it was going to continue down with volume. It did, but it just didn't do it as clean as I thought it was going to be. All right. So do I want to keep my zones? I think I want to keep my zone. So this one definitely I want to keep, because this one is still valid because price rejected and came right back down. So basically guys, anything that is below this area here, I'm looking for the sells. Anything that breaks above, if we get a candle closure above this area, guess what? I'm looking for the buys. I am looking for buys above this area, and this is just how I trade US30, guys. You guys, you know, I know everybody trades it differently. We all have our own point of view on how we look at it. This just makes sense to me based on how I trade. All right, I'm seeing you know, excellent market structure here for the sells, right? I don't really trust the buys. I mean, you could take buys up here, but I don't like taking trades on US30 in a random spot. This is a random area, right? There's no support, there's no resistance, there's nothing, right? This was the last support here. Resistance is up here. You're really like in no man's land at this point, right? So I like to wait for price. I only take my trades on US30 after price respects a certain key area in the market. This is not a key area where price is, so I wouldn't be looking for a setup there. I would be looking for setups here. This is why I waited to see, because yesterday we came to the market and US30 was here, right? Same spot it's in today. I wasn't looking for a trade here. I was willing to let these buys go because I didn't know the buys were going to continue. US30 could have continued right on down, and that would have been a stupid loss. You know what I'm saying? So you want to wait, be patient with indices, especially be patient with any pair, but with indices, you want to wait for price to come back to key levels in the market, and then not just wait till they come to the key levels, wait till they come there and then see how they react to those key levels, right? Price came to this key level, we pushed up. I actually thought we were going to go bullish for a while because we closed bullish here. Next candle started pushing, And I'm like, oh shit, we're probably going to continue up. And then we rejected. We rejected and we closed a strong bearish back inside this range. And we didn't get much of a pullback. I expected price to come up just a little. That's why I got out when I did, because I expected price to pull back to retest that and then to continue down. It eventually did, but just not much of a pullback. So but either way, I was scalping it anyway, so I really didn't care much for that. I had caught I think I caught what, 100 points, and then that was that. So based off structure here, guys, all I'm looking for is for price to react to this area again. What are you gonna do if you come back here again, right? Price broke here, tap, 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 and we drop, tap, tap. Now I'm not gonna put a sell limit order in here, because indices move differently than currencies, right? Because US30 could literally just fly like a bullet and just shoot up, and you know, I don't want to take that. So I would rather wait for price to come up here and see what it does, see how the candles are forming, see how price action is reacting, and wait on my confirmations. Once I get my confirmation, at that point I'm looking to take my entry. Okay, so US30, we're just waiting for US30 to give us some reactions up here, and then if price holds, like I said, I'm looking for the sell. If it does not break, I'm looking for my buy entries to take buys to the upside. Okay, but my overall bias for US30 is for sells. Okay, and GU is gone. GU has left the building, honey. GU has left the building. We're filling up this entire imbalance, which is absolutely beautiful. And gold, beautiful, pulling back nicely here. Pulling back nicely here. Let me make sure my orders didn't get activated. Oops, one of them did. One of them did. Oh, both of them did. Whoa. I am in US. I'm in gold. Gold, guys. My entries got activated at 1809. 1809. My entry was activated there, and damn, these spreads are. The spread activated me, actually. The spread activated me. Okay, cool. So I'm currently in gold sells. So let's hope that price respects this area and we can continue down. Where were we? GU. Okay, so GU. So let's do a fresh analysis here. GU is beautiful. That was excellent. That's the best move I've seen GU do in a long time. I ain't gonna lie. GU has been nasty lately, just ugly lately. All right, so we have a major low there. We have actually no, I don't want to put that there because that's today's. Today's still forming. So I can't type today. Sheesh. Okay, so let's look at GU, guys. GU is nice. GU is nice. We pushed down, we pulled back very nicely. This looks like an excellent fib setup, actually. Oh, yes, look at that. I wonder if it's still valid. It looks like it is. Is it? A little bit. Right? We have a pullback, we have a drop. Beautiful pullback, respecting the 61.8. We dropped, we pulled back to the 50. We dropped, and if we respect the 38%, maybe we can continue down and then maybe even further. So that's excellent, actually. So this area here, right, boom, is where you want to see price make its way on down. And this is on the daily time frame also, guys. So lots of space and opportunity. 260 pips. Lots of space and opportunity. So that's what it is, guys. If price breaks above these highs, you need to look for the buys. But if price remains below this level here, guess what? The sells are still valid and we can continue creating lower lows and lower highs. Let's go to the 4 hour. So yeah, guys, we just want to wait and see how price reacts inside this area here. Let's put a little highlight there. We'll see what price does inside this box here, and that will tell us what we're gonna look for. That's it. Pretty simple analysis, pretty simple, clean setup there. Okay, so US30 we're waiting, GU we're waiting, but GU is currently in this box now, so it's about to be 8 o'clock, so it's in the box. So we want to definitely keep an eye for confirmations. Okay. And then on AU, oh, we missed the buys. We missed. Come on, guys, why you guys didn't tell me? It's about to be 8 o'clock. This is probably gonna take off here. We're missing the buys. That's okay. We're still being patient. That is okay. What would the stop loss be? Stop loss would be about 6 pips, something like that. Yeah, the buys look excellent. You know what? I'm gonna take a position on AU. Stop loss is not that big. Let's see. I know, you don't have to tell me. Jeez. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Oh. Entry's not the best. I should have taken entries down here, guys. So this is gonna be a short trade because the entry was awful. Entries are awful there. And we are moving up nicely there. Beautiful. Now on gold here. Gold we are pushing here. Okay, so this kind of closes in 1 minute. I am in drawdown on gold. I'm in profit on AU. Let's see how gold reacts to this area here. I should have entered here. I really should have entered for buys here because price did form a support on the 15 and we are holding and price is currently bullish. I should have taken entries down here, but I had to finish the analysis on the other pairs. So let's see. Fly, fly, fly to the moon. 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. Beautiful. Let me go through this chat here. try to, if there are any questions. Does everybody understand the analysis? Did I lose anybody, or please let me know. If anybody has questions, feel free to ask. Keep an eye on gold here. I need gold to start breaking bearish here if we could. So I'm looking for sells below this area here, guys. But if price, the only way I'm looking for buys, honestly, is if price breaks above these highs, which would break structure on the higher time frames. That's the only way I would look for buys. So for now, it's just a patience game, just waiting to see how price is reacting to this area here. I would prefer it if price stayed below this area, because if price was to come up inside this area, then most likely we're probably trying to break bullish here, because this is a daily level that I have here. So I would prefer to see price stay below that area. So let's see what she wants to do. It's very important, guys, to wait on your pullbacks. It's very important. Okay, you have a better risk to reward waiting on pullbacks than you do just impulsively entering at, you know, lows and highs. Like, you know, entering sells at lows, entering highs, buys at highs. It's just a pain in the ass. It really is. So we waited on the pullback, and I just need this candle to continue on down here. Give me 10, 20 pips or so, and I'll be happy for the day. So we were patient on the pullback. We're going to be patient while we're in the trade. We're going to manage it while we're in it, and we're going to have a good day. That's what it's going to be. How's the weather over here? Weather's nice. Weather's nice. guess my analysis was pretty okay. I don't see too many questions here. Looks like you guys got it for the most part, which is good. It's good stuff. What lot size do you trade currently? I have what lot sizes do I have? I have a 10 lot running on this trade on AU, and I have a 9 lot on gold right now. So nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. What was your aha moment when trading finally made sense? When I really started to understand market structure and support and resistance. That's when things started to kind of add up for me. Charlene, how many positions do you have right now? I have 1 position on gold. I'm sorry, 2 positions on gold on 2 separate accounts and 1 position on AU. So I have 3 positions open right now. So I just been taking it easy lately. Haven't been going crazy with my account. Yeah, just taking it easy, you know. That's all. I was in AU last night. Cool. When will you do an in-person class? That's coming soon. That's coming probably in July, maybe. I might do one. Maybe in July. We'll see. I won't be in the country on my birthday, which is July 9th. So it'll probably be after I get back. Yeah, for sure. It'll be after I get back. So either July or August, if anything. Because, yeah. Watch gold. Somebody said watch gold. Okay. Yes, I am in profit on gold. Not by much, but I am in profit on gold. I just need gold to break this area here. See how it's trying to come down? We need another 30-minute candle to kind of, or maybe another 15-minute candle to come down and to hold this area to continue on down. That's what I'm waiting for. I don't trade GJ, not anymore. Nope. Beginners, please don't quit your job. Nope, you better not. What I learned from your live stream is how you notice the smallest details that will not put you in a stupid trade. That is experience. That is very experienced trading. So, US30 analysis. I already went over US30. My birthday is July 6th. Awesome. Cancer babies in the house. Crybabies, I like to say. I like to say we're crybabies instead of cancer babies. All right, so gold is struggling here. Gold is struggling, but let's just hope. You know, this is a 5-minute time frame, so that's okay. This candle, we have another candle forming it in the next 5 minutes, so hopefully we can start breaking here to come on down. How long have you been trading AU? I used to trade AU when I first started trading. AU is a very good beginner pair. I stopped trading it for a while when I was trading GJ, but I went back to it when I was looking for a backup pair for gold, and I realized that AU moves similarly to gold. So I just decided to, you know, I liked the setups on it. It was a clean pair. It didn't range a lot. You know, it wasn't doing a lot of, it didn't fake out a lot. It wasn't wicky. It was just a very clean pair that I could practice my technical analysis on. And I just went with that, you know, gravitated towards that pair. You know how you gravitate towards, you know, certain things? I just gravitated towards that. What I didn't get is why you entered gold at that level. Okay, because, okay, so let's see why. first and foremost, you're always looking at structure, right? You always want to look at some level of market structure, right? Structure is everything, right? We have a high, we have a low, high, low, high, low. Now, this is your last major high. This is your last major. This area here is where you want price to stay beneath for your sells to remain valid. Okay, remember, your entries aren't going to be perfect. Guys, you're going to have drawdown. You're going to, sometimes you get in the trades, you go straight into profit. Sometimes you get in the trades, you go straight into drawdown. You know, it happens, right? You're not always going to get that spot, you know, sniper entry. So you have to be okay with that, okay? Just manage your risk. Don't over leverage or nothing like that, and you should be fine, okay? Anyway, looking at market structure here, this is a structure that we want price to maintain, right? So based off that area, this area is really like where you want price to stay under, right? But we also have this area right here as well. We have multiple rejections. We have price that broke down. You have a pullback inside this area. Price respected this area again, closed beneath. Price held below this area. We broke above and we rejected that area again. Now, even though with current structure right now, you know, this may not be like, oh my God, the best perfect entry, right? Because we have all this space up here for price to come into. However, we're scalping. You got to look for entry areas where the market tells you, okay? So I'm looking at the price area here and I'm seeing that this major level is minor level, I'm sorry. It's a minor level, but it's still a valid area here before this area comes. Now, price, I could be wrong. Price could easily break back bullish and continue playing around in this area here. That's fine. I chose to enter around this area. You don't have to, you know, take entries where I take them. You could wait longer if you like, okay? All I'm saying is I'm looking for price to respect a certain level of structure within structure. That's it. That's all I'm waiting for. Once price respects that area and it's giving me proof in the past that it's held that area, I don't have anything that's holding me back at that point, okay? So I see that we have resistance, 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 resistance. We have resistance in this area here. Now, if price breaks this resistance, the next area it could go to is these highs, because where's our next area of resistance? Here, resistance, resistance, resistance. Price could easily break up here. I might close my position here because I don't like how this is forming here. I need to see price. Okay, this candle closes in 30 seconds. Let's see here. I'm in about 4 pips drawdown. Okay, 1 pip drawdown. I need price to stay below this area. If we get a candle closure above this, like in this area here, I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna hold this position. I'm not willing to hold this move, even though it's not a big stop loss. The continuations may not be there yet, so we're gonna wait and see. Okay, we're coming back down. So hopefully this candle can close below, which is what it's doing now, nicely. Okay, good. Very good, very good. Coming down. And this is what I mean, guys, when I say like manage your position when you're in it. Because if the market is starting to tell you stuff that, hey, this is going against me, you may want to reconsider. You know what I'm saying? Don't marry your analysis to the point where you're like, I don't care, I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna hold until, you know, if the candlesticks are telling me something different and it's going against my bias, I'm getting out of the trade. Okay, so the reason why I looked to enter in this area is because this was a major, to me, a major area of resistance. I wanted price to respect, to continue down. But if price could come back up here, but I like it to stay down here. That's pretty much it. I hope that explanation wasn't too confusing to you. What's AU doing? AU is moving like molasses as usual. US30 hasn't, well, waits for 9 o'clock for US30, and we're waiting on G. Okay. Is it safe to say that for the week we should look for buys off of support on AU since it's been so bullish? I'm not a swing trader, so I can't tell you what to look for the entire week. I can only tell you what to look for the day. I always wondered why you don't trade GJ anymore. I just gravitated because I started, because when you're trading, guys, you're going to level up, right? You're gonna graduate into harder pairs. The harder the pair, guys, the more money you make off that pair. That's just how it goes. The harder the pair, the more you make. So GJ was a great pair. I will never poo-poo on GJ because GJ did me well. GJ taught me a lot. All right, a lot of lessons. I did great with GJ, but I wanted to trade something else that would give me more money. Obviously, that's just what it was. All right, just me being honest. And I noticed that gold, I had traded gold while I was trading GJ for a while, but I noticed that it moves nicely. Like, it just, moves nicely. It was easy to understand. It was very volatile, but I did okay with it. Understanding it, when you know you're ready to trade a pair, to trade a pair seriously, is when you understand it fully. When you can look at that pair and be able to break it down like nothing, like yes, So I just saw that on gold, and I began trading it, on a small scale, and I saw consistency with it, and then I just decided to go all in. And I'm like, you know what? I don't really need anything else. This is it for me right here, And then that was the end of GJ for me. And I don't say I will never trade GJ again. I just don't need it, because you really only need one pair. You really only need one pair. You don't need much else. You really only need one pair. So. What pairs would you recommend for a beginner? AU, UJ, EU, GU. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Do you do fundamental analysis? I do not. I do not. Watch on gold. No way AU can go up and gold go down. Aussie is the biggest producer of gold. Well, that may be a fact, but I don't know. Based on, they do correlate with each other, but based on what's happening right now, yeah, based on what's happening right now, they're not. So, all right, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to close out on gold. Beautiful. Took profit on gold. I am out of gold. Caught 10 pips and I'm out. AU is... I'm almost at break even on AU. I might close out on AU because AU is about to put me back in break even. Oh, yep, break even. So I closed out on AU. So let's see. All right. So that was a good move on gold. That was a good move. Gold decided to pump down there. That was nice. I caught 10 pips on gold. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. On a little win streak here this week. All right, some wins yesterday, wins today. See how long we can keep it going. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. I don't know what's up with AU, man. AU only gave me I was only up 3 pips max on AU. But then again, the entry was trash. Entry should have been, I should have took entries down here. And my risk to reward would have been better. But we'll see what price does when it pulls back down here, we'll see. I'll try to get one more set up today. So that was nice on gold. That was a nice move on gold. It was very nice. We waited on the pullback. Look how price respected the area that I had boxed off here. We rejected it, came down, we stayed below that area, and we caught a nice little sell. That was nice. That was nice. I find it difficult calculating pips on gold. Can you help out? So you see how it says 1810 here? 1811, that's 10 pips. 1811, 1812, that's 10 pips. 1213, 10 pips. Okay. When will the Airbnb course be dropping and how much will it be? It'll be dropping soon. I don't have a set date for it, but it will be before the summer. How long do you watch a pair before trading it? It's up to you. Just gotta back test the pair long enough. That's about it. Oh. Yeah, guys, come on. 900 people and only 200 likes. Come on, guys, get the likes up. Unless you don't like me, then you don't have to like. It's up to you. So, do you only trade New York sessions? For now, yes. On occasion, I'll glance over at the computer at Asian. If I'm bored, if I'm home bored doing nothing, I'll look at Asian. But for the most part, only New York. Hey Charlene, I am new to Forex. I want to know how much pips I should aim for in a trade. Well, it depends on what kind of trader you want to be. Do you want to be a scalper? Do you want to be an intraday trader? Do you want to be a swing trader? As a beginner, I probably think you should not focus on any number of pips right now. You should just focus on understanding how to trade. That's it. Once you understand how to trade, the setups and the pips will come. It goes hand in hand. But if you're a new beginner and you don't know much about anything, the number of pips you're catching is not of your concern right now. It should just be learning how to actually break down a pair, learn how to analyze these charts, how to mark off levels, how to read candlesticks, how to read markets, all those things. You just got to learn how to actually trade. So that would be my answer to that question. And if any of you are interested in learning how to trade like I do and looking at the charts similarly to the way I do, you're more than welcome to take my course, which is the link is in the description box. But other than that, you can look at any kind of resources you like to help you. Just know that I'm a scalper and that's what I teach. So if you're looking to be an intraday or a swing trader, I am not the mentor for you, unfortunately. So please don't buy my course if you're anything other than a scalper. Good morning. Would you consider SPY or US 500 NAS as a NAS 1 or US 5 as a beginner pair? I would not. No indices are beginner pairs. None of them. Not NAS, not US30, not SPX. None of them. None of them are beginner pairs at all. Indices, period, are not for beginners. If you are a beginner and you're trading those things, you're gonna have a hard time being profitable. You're gonna have to go through a lot of shit before you ever make money consistently. You're gonna win, you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose, you're gonna win, then you're gonna lose, and then you lose it. That's how it's gonna be. If you wanna find more consistency, start with currencies and then graduate up to indices. Indices is like professional sports. Currencies is like K through 12 and into college. You know what I mean? Charlene, does it make sense to trade gold in London? I always do much better on it in New York. London is better for my time zone, by the way. Whatever session you perform the best in, that's the one you want to trade. And you can trade gold during any session. Gold moves all day long. Gold moves on every session, so you can trade it on every session. Yes, I got a win. Congratulations. I lost 2 trades and I won 1, still in profit. Risk management is so important. Absolutely. You can have more losing trades than winners and still be profitable. Believe it or not, guys. You really can. How much percent or setup do you risk? It depends. And I don't trade off percentages. I trade off set amounts. I do good at chart analysis. I always hesitate to take a trade and later feel bad about myself. Why I couldn't take the trade. How can I improve this, please? Reduce your risk. If you're scared to enter, it's because you're entering at your regular lot size and you're scared to take a trade. That's all that is. So just, if you, like, think about it, guys. If you have, let's say, I don't know, $1,000 account. Right, that's the average account size, right? And you open a trade at a 0.01. You can literally open that trade. Don't put no stop loss, no TP. Put your phone down and walk away for 4 hours and not even blink at the fact that you have an open trade running at a 0.01. You know why? Because at the very least, how much can you lose on that trade? It's not about winning, it's about how much can you lose. How much can you really lose on a 0.01? Penny lot. You're not worried about it. Whatever the trade does, you're going to let it do because you're not anxious about the loss. The reason why you're scared to take the trade is because you're afraid to take a loss. You can't be scared to lose. Losing is part of trading. You just got to make sure you have enough knowledge and experience in what you're doing to help combat that fear. Okay? We all have fears in life, guys, but the fears are normal, but they can't stop you from doing something. You have to do it even though you're scared to do it. That's the only way you're gonna know. It's the only way. If you're so scared and you can't fathom taking the trade because you're so scared of the loss, because if you knew you were gonna win the trade, would you be scared to take it? No. No. You would gladly take the trade because you're like, I know I'm gonna win this shit. Give it to me. Throw the house at this trade because I know I'm gonna win. But because you have that little bit of doubt and you're thinking about all the past losses that you've taken, that starts to kind of cloud your judgment. It messes with your confidence. You know what I mean? So it's only because you're afraid to take a loss. So reduce your risk to the point where you don't care about the outcome. There's no emotion. Take a 0.01, a 0.5, 0.10. Take baby lots. And once you see more consistency with your trading, with your, your wins, you won't be as afraid to take the trade anymore. Okay. Do you hedge trades? Absolutely not. Even if you're winning on one end, you're losing on the other. It makes no sense to hedge. Look at AU. I am looking at AU. AU I'm still bullish on it. I just want to see if it pulls back a little more here. So I may take a re-entry here, but I want to see if it pulls back a little more. I don't want to take the same entry I took last time because that entry was awful. I want it to pull back some more. And if we respect this area again, then I'll be looking to take a trade down here. Gold is going to buy. It might buy. It might, because usually in my experience with gold, When I see gold struggling, especially in a high volume session like this, when I see it struggling to continue in a specific direction, it's kind of telling you something. You know, the market is telling you, I'm having a hard time with this, Charlene. I can't continue down. You know, if buyers are keeping price from making lower lows and price keeps on pushing back up, you got to listen. You got to listen to it. Okay. If we look here, we'll see we have a high, we have a low, we have a high here, and price created resistance, and we have a low and a bunch of exhaustion at this low. Look how low this candle came, and it rejected all the way back up there. And then this next candle hasn't even broken the body of this move yet. Let me take this off since I'm not in this move anymore. Okay. Came down, rejected all the way back up. Now, can it still come down? Absolutely. We just have to wait and see. But based on the way these candles are forming, if these lows are going to be respected, and then you start seeing bullish candle closures, hey, it's probably telling you something. Why there's money up here. There's money, there's stop losses sitting up here. Price could easily flip bullish and come up and tap this area and then come down. I've seen gold do that. The same way it wicked out here, it could wick up there also. Okay? When you guys are trading, you guys have to think about all the scenarios that can happen. All the scenarios. Think of every scenario that can possibly happen. So that, and then have a plan for each and every one of them. But I like to keep it simple also, right? This is my scenario. I need price to stay below this area. If it stays below this area, then we're still good for the sells. But if price breaks above, then we're looking for the buys. But I'm still waiting on my confirmation to look for the buys. And because the market is bearish, heavy bearish, I better see a big ass bullish engulfing break this area, close strong above this area, and then wait on that other pullback to happen to form a level of support for price to then take off to the moon. Those are the only confirmations I'm waiting for. If I don't see those confirmations, guess what? I'm not taking a trade. Okay? Beginner pairs, okay? I put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Good thing I got out, right? Good thing. Look at that pullback. Look at that pullback. Beautiful. Let's go, AU. Come on down. Come on down. Tap this area for me. And then let's go back up. Gold melting nicely. Very nice. Beautiful. We're still holding. We're still holding. All we need is a little bit of volume, and down goes Fraser. And you see how smooth this candle's coming down? Smooth, smooth. It's not doing all this wicky shit that these candles were doing. That's what you want to see. You want to see the candle smoothly, slowly coming down, right? Slowly, smooth and steady. You don't want to see all this wicking, jerking move up and down. You don't want to see that. Okay. Are you going to get back in on AU? I might. I just want this to come down, and I need to see a bullish candle close. Once I get that bullish candle closure, then I will look for another entry. I'm keeping an eye on this area right here because price may not come down here. It may stay here, so I'd probably be looking for a bullish candle closure inside this area here. But we gotta let these candles close first. Charlene, what leverage do you use? 500-1. If you want to join my broker link, it's in the description box. Tomorrow, some people are gonna wake up very happy with their accounts. Some people are gonna wake up very happy with their accounts tomorrow. Because we're gonna be giving away some moolah. Money, money, money. Should be nice. You touched on something I've always had an issue on, which is finding out the major structural high or low or lower high to maintain your bias. Any tips, please? My tip would be get my course, buddy. I can't teach you how to trade those levels in a 2-hour live session. So you can rewatch this video later to get some more insight on it. But it's a lot of information. It's a lot more than what I say. I'm just giving you guys a bare overview of it, but it's a lot more than that. It's a lot more. So many of y'all keep asking about DXY. I don't look at DXY, guys. Those of you that have been watching my live streams, have you ever once seen me look at the DXY chart? Not one time have you guys seen me look at DXY. I get that question every day. Why y'all so obsessed with that thing? Everybody has their own way of trading, guys. Doesn't mean that because one person looks at something, the other person has to too. Come on, guys. DXY is not a major requirement to be able to trade certain pairs. Gold is dropping. Oh, yes, sir. Beautiful. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Who is still in gold? Everybody still in gold? I know some of y'all. Some of y'all are ballsy. I know you guys are ballsy. Y'all are still in there. Y'all are still in there. I know you guys are still in gold. I know it. Gold TP. Gold TP. Are we gonna tap negative 27? We almost tapped it. Come on. You could do it. It's because they see other traders trading. Yeah, we all have our own style of trading, guys. We have our own style. I'm still in gold. I took profit at 10 pips. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These rejections do give me a little bit of pause. I'm not getting it. I mean, it makes sense because remember I mentioned these rejections prior, guys. These right here. For some reason, every time price gets inside this area, it struggles. It struggles. I don't know. For some reason. I hate the pullbacks right before my TP. I'm telling you. Those are a killer. Those are a killer. Those are a killer, I'm telling you. How much is this pullback here? Crazy. I don't know if price is going to come down here. Because you see the way the candle's forming, guys. Even though we had this rejection, this candle closed weak. This candle, this wick never broke these lows. And this already broke these highs. So I feel like we may not come down in this area. We may continue bullish. We could pull back. Something like that. Which is a little odd because it's going completely against gold right now. It's buying when gold is selling, or gold is trying to sell, but gold could flip bullish, guys. Gold, because all this, let me see. Let's look at the higher time frames, right? Let's look at, this is the 30-minute. Let's look at the 1 hour. Because this 4-hour candle is about to close here shortly. Let's remove some of these lines here. Let's look at some clean market structure there. Look at the way these candles are forming. They almost look like dojis. This one, doji, right? This one, weak, bullish candle, rejection here. We are struggling. Every time we tried, we closed above. Came down, closed above. Came down, closed. Came further down, closed above. Very telling. There's a whole lot of seller's exhaustion sitting down here. A whole lot of seller's exhaustion. So guess what? What do we have forming here? A very nice major level of support for price to create structure on the lower end and potentially buy and fill up this gigantic imbalance here. Look at the volume here, guys. Nothing. Nothing. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4-hour still looks strong. Still looks strong, but this should have been a lot bigger. A lot bigger. This is all this candle has done in 4-hour time. This closes in 15 minutes. I highly doubt that in 15 minutes this candle is going to whipsaw down here or further down. Highly doubt it. I don't see that happening. But we'll see. We will see. Gold is in a range. It is. It is in a range. She is in a range. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back.
Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, sir. Yep. See? We formed the support rejection area. Gone. AU. Gone. Yes, sir. I am up. 7 pips on AU. 7 pips. 7 pips. Gone. Beautiful. Beautiful. Did anybody catch gold? Who caught gold? Who caught gold, baby? Yes, sir. Beautiful. Remember this high, guys? This was the high I told you guys I wanted price to stay below for sells. And then if price broke, I want to see a big ass bullish engulfing. What is this? A nice big bullish engulfing. You could have taken the breakout, right? I probably wouldn't because it's this 4-hour candle is about to close. Right? But right now it's all about the buys. Right now it's about the buys. You want to see price do this. And that's it. Hey. Guys, I don't feel the love in the chat right now. Be nice to each other. Come on. Yeah, this was beautiful. This was beautiful. I don't know why it's been so hard for me to get 10 pips on AU lately. I might just close out right here. Come on. There we go. There we go. Thank you. Finally. Golly. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Yep. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Who's in AU buys? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. Who's in AU buys with me? Come on. You guys better be in AU because I gave a whole analysis on AU. I told you guys what I was looking for. Yes. Let's go. Give me some. Beautiful. Everybody wins. Everybody wins with me. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Bow, 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 bow. When did I say I got in? Well, I didn't say exactly when I got in, but I said what I was looking for, right? I was waiting for price to pull back. Price gave me a close here. I said, once I get a bullish candle closer here, I'm looking to take entries. That's what I was looking for. I had my position, my stop limits order in here. Once I got a bullish close, that's what I was looking for. I have this line here, right? I drew this line. Once price broke this line, I had my positions above that line. Then I wanted price to take off. I hope that I don't have to sit here and say, I'm entering now, guys, for you guys to have confidence to take a trade on your own. That's not what I want here, okay? I give you guys an analysis. I tell you what I'm looking for, and that's it. That's it. No, there's no hand holding here, guys. There's no hand holding. I'm giving you guys all the soups, all the sauce, all the juice here. I'm gonna close out on AU here because I'm good for today. I'm good with my wins for today. No greed. No greed. What's going on gold? Gold is still flying, baby. I can't believe gold did that on a 4-hour time frame. That 4-hour candle, Jesus Christ, that thing was bearish. It was down here. It literally just flipped and flew. It was like it was waiting to do that. It was waiting to smack sellers. All that struggling, yeah, price was struggling too hard coming down. It was struggling too much. Way too much. Gave us all the signals. All the signals. I just made 400K. Wow, that's what's up. I'm in AU buys. Beautiful. I don't know why this guy keeps talking about Bollinger Bands. I don't know. You notice I'm just ignoring him. I'm just not even acknowledging. He keeps on putting it in the chat, but whatever. I love that you are a woman and doing this. Thank you. I knew it was going to be a good trading day, good vibes all this morning. Peace and blessings. Yeah, this week has been amazing. This week has been amazing. We had fun yesterday. We're having fun today. I mean, can you ask for more than that? I don't know. Can you do this every day? Come on, guys. Every day? It's not easy. It's not easy. What about US30? Let's see. US30 is napping right now. US30 is taking a nap. That's why we haven't been looking at it. Charlene, I hope you're doing fine. I'm doing excellent. Thank you. Made an easy 300. Thank you. You're welcome. Charlene, you're looking very natural and gorgeous this morning. Well, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are so awesome. Beyond grateful. Thank you, Charlene. You're welcome. Who cares if she's a woman? A woman can do whatever they put their mind to. It's like you're surprised a woman is capable. It's okay. It's okay. Because it's a male-dominated field. So people are, you know, it's a male-dominated field. That's all. Let's go, Charlene. Cannot wait for the live session. Yes. If you applied for the live sessions and you got an email, guys, check your emails and make sure you send in the information that I need, please. Because the live sessions do start next week. All right. The private live sessions. Okay. So you guys are going to be missing out on me for 2 weeks here. So if you applied and you got in, congratulations. If you did not, I apologize. You'll get in the next one. Okay. I love you, Wendy. Wendy's such a sweetheart. She always has my back. I love you, Miss Wendy. The point is for us to learn how to take trades on our own. Exactly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's a reason why I don't exactly say when I enter a trade, because many of you are just waiting on that instead of trying to gain the confidence to enter on your own. That's what I want to give you. I give you guys information. I'm spoon feeding you guys all the knowledge. I told you guys what I was looking for on AU. I said it. I said, guys, I'm waiting. My first trade entry was bad. The entry was bad because it was at technically a high. So once I saw price coming back to my entry, I just said, let me get out because I'm anticipating a pullback, right? We waited on the pullback. I wanted the pullback to come here to my support, but just in case, right? We got a plan, right? Have a contingency plan. Just in case price does not come back to where I want it to come back to, because who is Charlene, right? It's about the charts. The charts is going to do what it wants to do. So if it doesn't come back to my level, I need to react to what it's doing. If I see price coming back here and we're holding a level here, we tapped it pretty much. We pretty much came back to the level off this wick right here, right? But I said, okay, I'm not sure if it's going to come here. I don't know if it's going to take off here. But in any case, I want to see price come to around this area. If price breaks this high here, which is, this is a support, this is a resistance. If price breaks that area, I'm looking to take my entries. Stop loss was 5 pips, 6 pips. And I'm looking for the buys. That's it, guys. Once you guys saw price breaking this area here, you're thinking one of two things. Do I want to enter or do I want to wait for a candle closure? And keep in mind, this is the 5 minute. This is not 15, 30, or 4 or 1 hour. This is the 5 minute time frame, which means get your ass in this trade or you're probably going to miss the move. But even if you miss it, it's okay. Even if you miss a move, guys, it is a-okay to miss a move. I closed out my position. Should I have held? No. Could I have held? Yes. It's okay. It's okay. But I gave you guys all the sauce. I gave it to you guys. I gave you guys a free signal right here. You didn't need me to tell you when I was getting in the trade. I walked away on purpose. Everything I do is calculated, guys. Everything I do is calculated. Notice I'm not even showing you guys my profits anymore. I'm not showing you guys the profits. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't. You know why? Because I don't want you guys to focus on the profit. I want you to focus on the setup. Don't think about the money when you're trading. Think about the setup. Let the setup do its thing. If you think about the money, you're going to take your mind off the setup. You guys are going to see my trades, see my lot sizes, and you're going to try to do the same shit. Oh shit, Charlene made 2,000 tiles. I want to make 2,000. I mean, I only have 1,000 in my account, but I really want to make 2,000 like Charlene. So what lot size did you take? Oh, a 10 lot? Okay, I'm going to take a 10 lot too. There's a reason why I do what I do with you guys, okay? I love you guys. I want to see all of you guys succeed. I want to see all you guys do great. I want to show you that it is possible to be successful with trading. It just takes a level of patience, a level of discipline, and a little bit of experience. That's it. Okay? We're probably going to end the stream a little bit early today, guys, because I do have to get ready for my spa day. I have a lot to do today, so I have to get going. So we're going to stay on till about 9:30, which means we're probably not going to catch anything on US30, GU. GU has flown here. We're still at this level here, so we still have to wait. But wow, look at that beautiful structure on the 30 minute. This structure is very nice on the 30. Very nice on the 30. I like how you set up your charts. I can't wait for your 2-week private live. I'm gonna soak up all the knowledge like a sponge. Yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time because I go into more detail on the privates than I do on here. So it's a lot more information. You're killing it. Yes, we're all killing it. We killing it, not me. We are killing it. Slow money is better than no money. Yeah, I guess. The knowledge you are providing us right now is priceless. You go, girl. Thank you. You guys are everything. 900 viewers and 475 likes. Come on, we all made money today. So can we get the likes up just a little? Just a tiny bit. Just like this much, guys. That would really help the YouTube algorithm to really push my channel out there. So that's why we asked for the likes, right? To just catapult channel, you know. I have friends that say, hey, I don't have time to watch the live stream because I'm at work, but I just jump on just to drop a like for you. And I'm like, thank you. Right? Thank you. Gotta love your supportive friends, all right? Supportive friends, supportive family, all that's awesome. Can't ask for anything more than that. Made a cool 200 bands today. 200 bones. Love it. What's your email for the live sessions? Mr. John Wick. Very cool name. Very good movie. The live private session application process is closed. The people have already been selected. Emails have already been sent out. So unfortunately, you missed it. Just try again for the next one next month. There's one every month, right? So we'll try for next month. So I apologize. You missed out, buddy. The link in the description box of this video does not work. It doesn't work. Once the application process is closed, it's closed, and that's it. You have to wait on the next one. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be on here for another 20 minutes or so. Maybe keep an eye on US30 to see if we can see something. If US30 stops here and it doesn't go up a little more, I'm gonna be a little bit salty because I don't want it to stop here. I see that we have an area of rejection there. Cool, but it's not enough. It's not enough. Get your butt up a little higher and give me some more confirmations up here, and then we can look for price to come down. That's what I want to see. When is the next private? It'll be, this one is March 6th through the 17th. The next one will probably be, probably April 3rd through the 14th, probably, because I'm going to be traveling in the next few weeks here. So I have to plan it around my travel. I could do it during my travel. It just depends on where I'm going to be going. I was supposed to go to Spain next month, but I was supposed to be going with somebody and they can't make it next month. So I'm pushing it back. So I'm probably going to be going to LA next month. So I could still do the live streams in LA. I would just be getting up early as shit, which I don't like to do when I'm on vacation. For now, it'll be April 3rd through the 14th for now. If dates should change, I will let you guys know through my Instagram. Okay? So I'll let you guys know. But for now, that's going to be the date for that. All right? But yeah, for now, we're going to be doing them just about every month. I like them. I think they're a lot of fun. I think, like I said, I think the live sessions give a lot more insight into a different version of mentorship. So for those of you that, are just used to getting just the courses and whatnot, it gives you a different story I'm looking for. A different look into trading and how we trade and stuff like that. So yeah. The pullback on gold is going to be nasty, honey. That's going to be a quick, about a 50 pip pullback. That's what's going to happen on gold here. Ooh. Question, I applied. I meant, what name should I be looking for in my email? What name? I mean, it's from Charlene FX Trades. Just check your inbox or check your junk box. It should be in one of those boxes. If you got approved to join, if you got denied, then you won't find an email. You won't see the email. When you get denied, it's too many applications to send out both denial emails and approvals. So we just said we're just going to send out the approvals. How much is it for the private sessions? That information is on the application. So you just have to wait till you fill out the application and see. But it's not expensive at all. I wish I could like it twice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Put some clothes on. I do have clothes on. Two people that were approved to get into the sessions messaged me and said they couldn't make it for personal reasons. So I actually have 2 spots available for the private sessions. So if you want to apply for those spots, just send me a DM on Instagram and we'll get you in. I'll send you the information and we'll get you in. But it's only 2 spots. That's it. It's only 2 spots. Oh, time killer. I'm gonna kick you out of the chat because you're spamming the chat right now. How was your experience with private sessions? Are you going to have more of them? And how was the experience of the participants? Well, I wasn't one of the participants, so I can't tell you how their experience was. I'm sure they loved it because we made money like we always do. We learn, we have fun in there. You know, I play cool music because I don't have to worry about YouTube copywriting me or nothing like that. So we have fun in there. It's a lot of fun. First stream, great content, and gained a new subscriber. Thank you. Please add the super chat option for the next stream. Would like to buy your next coffee. Thank you. What's a super chat? What is that? I don't even know what that is, actually. I don't know what a super chat is. Thursday, 2 o'clock. Thursday. So gold is gonna come down. It should. It's supposed to pull back, of course. It has to pull back. You just gotta wait for your bearish candle closures, and then it should pull back. I am not taking any more trades. I am done for the day. Yesterday I had a good day. Today, good day. I think I'm up 6K on the week. Kinda low, but that's okay. A win is a win. A win is a win, honey. Boy. Your Amazon package is on the way. Yes. Hurry up and get here. I am an Amazon addict, guys. Always ordering something off Amazon. It's crazy. I think I have a problem. Ooh, look at this pullback on AU. Beautiful. Always anticipate the pullback, guys. You're always gonna have pullbacks after big moves. Always, always, always. US30, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is not where you were supposed to start dropping at. It's not even 9:30 yet. US30, you animal, you. You devil, you. Well, the structure looks good, though. I ain't gonna lie. We have highs, we have bearish drop, pullback, bearish drop, pullback, bearish drop. Looking good on the lower time frames. We have a nice clean push here. We have some nice imbalance here. Looks okay for the sell. Maybe we're not gonna come up here. Maybe we're not. Well, for sure, we're probably not at this point. We held this area here. We're probably gonna continue on down here. If it's a 50 pip pool, why not get in now? Because I've already traded. I don't need to overtrade. I've already caught multiple setups on the day. When you overtrade and you get greedy, that's when you start losing money. I don't need to trade anymore today. Glad to see you feeling better, girl. Thank you, thank you. It feels good to not be sick anymore. You guys, I'm taking like all these supplemental things now, like to get my vitamins. Like I have to drink this nasty ass fish oil thing twice a day. I put sea moss. I bought this sea moss thing and I put it in my smoothie now. Instead of peanut butter, I put that in there. So it's just the oat milk, my protein powder, my vegan protein powder, and I put some sea moss in there and some bananas, and I drink it. So guys, I did a detox over the weekend. I'm taking my health seriously. I stopped eating meat, right? That's gonna be something new for me. Today is gonna be day 1, 2, 3 of no meat. So we're gonna see how I could do with it. But yeah, I'm taking my health seriously, guys. I'm being more conscientious about the things that I'm eating, I drink water. I always drink a lot of water, but I'm not drinking soda. I'm not drinking coffee. No chips, no ice cream, no sweets. Even though I have a sweet tooth, when I get an urge to eat something sweet, I have these sugar-free yogurts that I bought. And that's about it. No juice. I love iced tea, and I stopped drinking iced tea because of the sugar that's in there. And then I'm working out. I hit the gym last night. Felt great. Got a nice workout in last night. I'm gonna get one in today. Your health is your wealth, you guys. Your health is absolutely your wealth. This last sickness was a wake-up call because I had no business getting sick. No business. I used to never get sick, and now it's like a regular thing. So I'm not playing with my health anymore. So health is your wealth. How often do you do private sessions? I want to request a week off so I can join. So yeah, just keep up with my Instagram, guys, and I will notify you guys when the next one will be. Just keep up with my Instagram or my YouTube, one or the other. So someone can send you like $20 for getting their comment read out loud or something. Watch Fresh and Fit. They do it very well. Oh, okay, cool. I do know Fresh and Fit podcast. I know that podcast. I haven't watched their episodes much lately, but I do know them. So yeah, maybe I'll get a super chat. We'll see. What strategy do you trade? You must be new here. It's crazy to think I'm watching you from so many oceans away, living a morning in your home. What amazing times. Yeah. Thank you, Charlene, for the education. You earned a new subscriber. Awesome. AU is pulling back. Yep. Why should gold pull back? Because it did a big move in the opposite direction and it also broke structure. So you should be anticipating a pullback. What do you eat then? So yesterday I had some spaghetti with onions and peppers and mushrooms and stuff. Today I'm gonna have some salmon. Well, I'm going out to eat later, so I'm probably gonna have some fish. I'm gonna be eating a lot of seafood. A lot of seafood, because I can't have chicken, I can't have beef, I can't have pork, none of that stuff. So it's just like shrimp, salmon, scallops, lobster, stuff like that is what I'm gonna be eating for the foreseeable future. And I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for breakfast. After I ended the stream yesterday, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich while I was watching US30. So, yeah. You'll do great. I haven't eaten meat in 3 years. Just make sure you eat a lot of fruit and salads. Learn a great alkaline diet as well. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, I had a fruit bowl before bed last night. I came home from the gym, took a shower. I drank an entire bottle of water. And then I had some fruit and I went to bed. Look into celery juice. It helps to detox and numerous. Yes. I actually have my cousin making me some celery juice. Probably today, I think. I think I'm supposed to go pick it up. What the fuck, bro? Why she keep slamming the door like that? God damn. What do you drink besides water? Shit, tea. Green tea. That's about it. Green tea. Damn, girl, you look gorgeous. Mwah. Mwah back at ya. Mwah, mwah. Yeah. Calisthenics or weights? Weights. Mostly weights. You want something naturally sweet? Just take dates. I don't like dates. I don't like dates at all. I'm sorry, I don't like dates. Try to get as much sunshine and light as well. Yes, that's important. Yes. I actually just bought a beach towel on Amazon last night. One of those extra large beach towels. The ones that come with the pillow inside the thing, and it has those secret compartments to put like your wallet, your keys and stuff. I bought one of those so I could push myself to go lay out on the beach every once in a while and just get out. Have you ever thought about going on Fresh and Fit? Q Banks was on there before. Yeah, I know he was on. I know. If they ever ask me on, sure. If they ever ask me. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see. Girl, I love you. 8-figure goats, my girl. She's so funny. Do you always scalp or do you swing as well? I probably swing once every several trades. Once every several trades. I don't like swinging. I don't like it. The only pair right now I probably swing is gold. I'm sorry, not gold. US30. Are you going to the FX Summit? Yes, I will be there. What's your go-to warm meals right now? I'm meal prepping. I do some meal prepping. My cousin just put me on to a new company because I don't really like to cook too much. I mean, I don't mind cooking. I just don't have time for it right now. So I'm trying to meal prep for the week. Go with the company, or I'll just have my mom do it for me. My mom meal preps really well. The only thing is my mom doesn't like the not eating meat thing. You know, we're Haitian, so we eat meat. But because she keeps telling me there's nothing wrong with it, you know, it's not, you're not gonna da-da-da-da, but so I might have to go with the company because my mom is a little controlling when it comes to stuff like that. She'll tell me all day long I'm not doing the right thing. There's nothing wrong with eating meat. You gotta eat it in moderation, da-da-da. But I really want to lose weight. I really want to get in really good shape. And I feel like I want to do something I haven't done before. And something I haven't done before is not eating meat, you know? So I'm gonna give that a try. And I like fish. I don't mind. I can eat fish all the time. I like it. So your skin is glowing. Thank you. How long have you been profitable? Blue Streak FX, you must be new here. US30 low-key got me tight. Why? Is it because you missed the cells? Did you miss the cells? It's okay. It's okay. It's not even 9:30 yet. Give it time. Give it time. See, I gotta ignore some of these questions here. I just needed a good smile for the morning. Laughter is good for the soul. It is. Amen on that. It absolutely is. You ever having a crappy day, just smile. Look in the mirror and just smile. I guarantee your day, you're gonna feel a lot more better. You're a lot better that way, that day. Have you looked into keto? I have. I just, it's not for me. Gold is pumping like hell. Let's see. Yeah, the pullback is not coming yet. It's filling this, it's filling this imbalanced area here, which is great. It's probably going to come to right around this area here. But the pullback is coming. It is coming, honey. It's coming. Trust me. If it's a choice you want to do, I think you should. I'm pescatarian and it's the best thing I've ever done. Yeah, that's what I keep hearing. My good friend who put me onto not eating meat, he says it's the best thing he's ever done is stop eating meat. Him and his wife stopped eating meat and they love it. So I'm from LA too. We could link up and talk more about this Forex stuff. US30 up or down at 9:30? I don't know. Right now it's down. I think your mom is right. I think you need to remove flour, so pasta and spaghetti, all those bread, eating after 19 till, so that's fasting. The thing is, I have a weird addiction to carbs. I love rice. I love pasta. One of my favorite dishes is my spaghetti. I love spaghetti. And even though I had some yesterday, it had no meat in it, so it didn't taste the same. So when I make my spaghetti pasta, it's like I'm really gonna miss that because I really, really love eating that. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. If I can go the entire month of March without eating meat, that's going to be a huge accomplishment for me. So, 2 questions. Are you funded, and what do you think you husband about it? I am not funded, guys. Why do you guys think everybody's funded? There are people that trade their own accounts out here, guys. Everybody ain't out here just trading on funded accounts. If you're a big time profitable trader, you shouldn't be on a funded account. You shouldn't be, in my opinion. You should be trading your own goddamn money, because why the hell would you trade a funded account and give away some of your profits when you could be making it all on your own? You know? Yesterday I just loaded $50,000 into one of my live accounts to be able to finally get over that mental barrier of trading a 6-figure account, because I've never traded a 6-figure account. The highest account I've ever had, the most money I've ever traded in my account was right around like 70K. The month that I hit the 100K, I actually took it out right after. I didn't even leave it in there. I took it right out. And I put it back down to like 50. So why would I take time out of my day and profits to trade a funded account when I could trade my own account and trade it however I want, whenever I want, and make all my profits? I don't have to split shit with anybody. And then on top of that, I don't have to wait to get my money. I don't have to wait 2 weeks or a month or whatever it is to get my payout. There should be, in my opinion, no profitable traders. The goal is to use the funded accounts to make your own money to put in your own live accounts, and then trade that and keep all the profit. Any big time trader that's telling me they're traded on a funded account, I feel like, okay, why? Why? You could do it. There's nothing wrong with it, but why? I don't want to give nobody any of my money. I don't want to have no rules. I don't want to have no drawdown limits. I don't want to wait for my payouts. I don't want shit. I want to do what I want to do with my money in my account. I don't know. Funded prop firms are so popular. People think everybody's trading on them. We're not. They just popped up like maybe 2-3 years ago. They just popped up, and they're just now becoming a thing where the new one is popping up every 3 days. There's a new prop company out there scamming people. No, I'm sorry. I'm trading my own account. I don't want nothing to do with prop firms. I think they're great, but you use them, leverage them. Leverage. You use them as leverage. You trade it, get your payout, you take that payout, put it in your own account. That's it. That's it. That's all you should be using prop firms for. That's it. I wish I would hear Q or one of these other big time traders come out here talking about they're trading on a prop account. What? Why? No, honey. No, thank you. Trade my own 6-figure account. Okay, guys. It's 9:30. Wow. So you see before, guys, I wanted price to come down here. It didn't. Look where it finally came. It actually did come down here. But it's pushing strong. There's a lot of volume right now. The market just opened. There's a lot of volume right now. A lot of volume. Look at that pullback on AU. If you miss these buys, these sells are a cake. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh my Jesus. This is just beautiful. See how this is only 16 pips? I swear on gold, this would be like a 80 pip push. Oh, wow. US30, woo! Love it. Oh, G is not doing anything. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, guys, I had a talk with my mentor, and I decided to break that mental block of trading a 6-figure account. And yes, I am officially trading a 100K account. I'm trading right now. It's at 108. It's at 108. So that's, yeah, my first 6-figure account. So anything over that is going to be, oh my God, which means my risk is going to be going up. All that kind of stuff is going to be, I'm really trying to run it up. I'm really trying to push myself out of my comfort zone and really run it up. So we're going to see. We're going to see. But anyway, guys, I have to go. I got to go get my day started here. Great job today, guys. Great session. We had fun. A lot of knowledge, a lot of information, and we won. We won for today. We won for today, won yesterday, won today. Let's see if we can get this win streak. We can continue this win streak going for the rest of the week. All right. So, guys, love you guys always. I appreciate all the love, all the support. I will be leaving this on YouTube so you guys can rewatch it if you need to. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just message me on Instagram. All right. Tomorrow, there's going to be a bunch of giveaways, so check your accounts. Those of you that are logged in on HANKOTRADE and using my link, that's the only way that that you could have entered into the giveaway. Okay, so the next giveaway is officially starting tomorrow, and then we're going to get started on that. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much. Y'all be good. I'm going to go enjoy my spa day, hang out for the day in Miami with my cousin, show her a good time. And I will catch you guys tomorrow morning, same time, same place. All right. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Be good. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.